going on, guys? So this video here is going to talk about the communication system that we're trying to build with our dogs. So I'm going to have Nala, which is one of my clients' dogs, and I'm going to be working with her on those goods and yeses. For most of you, so Nala's engagement is quite good with me because I've walked her quite a bit and we've done some of the right things. Most of you, for your dogs, this is going to have to start in your house. So you start this goods and yes communication stuff in your house, then you're going to progress out to your garden, then you're going to progress out to a field and like into the real world, like a car park or whatever. There's lots of ways that you can progress from this. So this is going to be like maybe a 3-part series, but this video here is just going to be like the basics of the goods and the yeses, the home delivery system and the coming to get your the food from you with the yeses. So yeah, watch the video, take it in. This is how I do it in like real time. As I said, start in the house with your dogs and then progress outside gradually, just make it more difficult. But yeah, stay tuned. We've got a 3-part series on this, so yeah, enjoy. What's going on, guys? So we are here with Nala, one of my clients' dogs, so I'm working with and training. I was just going to layer in the goods and the yeses and show you in real time how we build on it. So I've probably done this with her like probably 1 or 2 times. The teeth are chattering, so she's up for some work. So yeah, we'll get to work. So basically, with the goods, it's a home delivery system. With the yeses, it's a break your position and come flying to me command. So we'll start layering in. So good, reinforcing the staying there. Good, yes, 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 good. Yes. Reload. Good. Drop one. Don't drop your treats. Good. Yes. Good. Yes. 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 Once we've sort of ingrained that a little bit, we can start working on our sit stays and down stays with the goods and yeses. Goods being a duration marker, yes being the release out of the command. So, Nala, sit. Good. Yes. Nala, sit. Good. Yes. Nala, sit. Good. Yes. Good. Remembering as I'm gooding, I'm pushing her back so she doesn't forage forwards. Good. You don't want a dog that's going to go forwards all the time. Good. Yes. Yes.
down. Good. Down. Good. Yes. Now a sit. Yes. Good. Good. Sit. Good. 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 Yes. Now let's sit. Good. Good. So that's just a quick little video just to show you how we're working our communication system with our dog, with our goods and yeses. So as you can see now, her sit stay is a lot better. She sat there while I'm talking to you, and she won't come out until I say the Y yes. Yes. Good. So hope that gives you some clarity on how to do it. And yeah, keep training, guys. Good.